Hey, middle schoolers, Mrs. Suki here. Hey, it is about a little after 1 on the 12th, which is Monday. Just want to give you a heads up. There's a potential for an e-learning day tomorrow. It doesn't look like a very nice day. And so when we do an e-learning day, the goal is that you would be able to do your work from home. It won't be the same amount of work typically, but you would log into your Google Classroom and get your assignments that way, and then you would be able to complete the work and submit. Whatever you have assigned is still due tomorrow, just like we are in a regular classroom, unless your teacher tells you differently. To do attendance, you're going to get an email with a form from your Laker Time teacher. If you can see what just a sample is, your Laker Time attendance, your name, and this one asks your favorite cookie. It could ask something completely different. But that's what you have to submit by noon on an e-learning day. So you're going to have to check your email. One, you'll get an attendance form that you need to complete. Two, you're going to want to watch your Google Classroom to know by 9 a.m. So that's when everybody has to post as far as teachers. By 9 a.m., everything should be there, what you have to complete for your day. Okay. If we happen to go into a 2 hour late start, which I'm not sure that that could happen tomorrow, but potentially later this week as the weather looks to be tough all week, there is a different clock schedule. Okay, so this would be emailed to you, but you can see when you would start, your class periods for the most part shift pretty significantly. Instead of 47 minutes, you'd go to 34 minutes. 7th and 8th graders, you'd have the first period, and then you'd have lunch, Laker time, and then you'd go through your day. Okay. So just so you know, your day will shift when we go into a 2 hour late start as well. I would email this and your teachers will guide you on where you go if we go 2 hours late, but you would still go to every class period. Okay. So again, recap. You need to do attendance by noon tomorrow if we're in an e-learning day. You need to check your Google Classroom. It will be posted by 9 a.m. what your jobs are for the day to complete. They are due that day unless your teacher tells you differently. 3, if we would have a 2 hour late start at any point, there is a different schedule and we will get that to you, but you have to check your email. All right. Thanks, crew. Have a great day and stay safe and have fun if there's an e-learning day. See you soon.